In today's video, I'm going to teach you some useful ways to undo a sort in Google Sheets on your desktop. Whether you've just sorted your data accidentally or want to ensure you can revert it later, these methods will guide you through the process step by step. Now imagine you've just sorted a column in your Google Sheet, but you realize that wasn't what you intended. Not to worry, there's a quick fix. Immediately after sorting, you can simply use the undo command. Just press Ctrl+Z if you're using Windows, or CMD+Z on a Mac, and this will undo the sort instantly. Alternatively, you can also click the undo arrow in the toolbar. It's that curved arrow pointing to the left. It's worth mentioning, though, that this option only works if sorting was your most recent action. If you've done other edits afterwards, those will be undone first, not the sort. To have a more reliable option for resetting your sort in the future, consider using a helper column. Before you perform any sort, add an extra column alongside your existing data. In this helper column, fill in a unique index number for each row, starting from 1 downwards along your dataset. This simple step will serve as your key to reverting to the original order later. When you need to revert, just sort your data by this helper column from A to Z, and it will return everything to its original state. This can be especially helpful if you're making numerous modifications and want to keep track of your initial setup. Lastly, if you find yourself in a position where neither undoing nor a helper column is available, perhaps you've closed the sheet or made multiple changes since then, there's still hope in the form of version history. In the menu, navigate to File, then hover over Version History and click on See Version History. Here, you'll be presented with a detailed list of all your version saves, allowing you to restore your sheet to a point before the sort occurred. It is a neat and powerful tool that Google Sheets offers, but do exercise caution. Restoring a previous version will undo all the changes made since that recorded version, reverting your entire document, not just the sorting. With these tips, you now have a robust set of options to manage when and how you undo sorting in Google Sheets, ensuring that your data remains as you need it, whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in navigating your spreadsheet challenges.